What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Chubbs Made It. Today we are back with a brand new banger. Kind of a banger. I've been gone for some time. Y'all probably wondering where I've been. I have been at schools and things of that for work. But while I was gone, I got two new addictions, man. Two new addictions. First one we'll go over today. Another video will be the next. But let's get straight into it. So as y'all can see all these items behind me in these boxes, I got into WhatNot. And WhatNot is dangerous. If you don't know what WhatNot is, I'm gonna throw a clip on the screen, but it's basically TikTok for the auctions, an auction TikTok, and it's pretty fucking dangerous, man. I be on there every night. I got like 75 Harley shirts coming still, on top of other things coming. But I'm gonna just give y'all a quick overview of what I've got so far, because it's addicting. So let's get straight to it, man. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna show y'all is this damn Milwaukee bag, a little tool bag. I don't even know how much I got this for. All this shit, I really don't know how much I got it for, but I know I got it for a steal. This thing is brand new, man. How could you not scoop this up? How could you not scoop it up, right? Banger, 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 brand new. Next thing we got was this damn circle bottle thing. Y'all see that? Also brand new. Don't know how much I got it for, but got it for a steal. Next thing, I don't know if y'all can see this right here, man. This, let me lift this John up, bring it over to y'all. Y'all can see this? Whole Nespresso machine, steal, for sale. Let me know. Yeah, we got the shirt I'm wearing now, fire shirt, right? Fire, steal. And then I got mad clothes I'm about to show y'all, mad clothes. So first thing we got, this Taylor Swift jacket. This just came in. I don't know what tour this is from. Fire, way too small though. XL. We got these big ass camo pants for a steal. For a steal. Had to get them, man, had to get them. These ones on the hanger, I got a couple days ago. This is I don't even know what this is right here. It's not gonna focus either. I don't know what this says. Oh, it's on the back. Cards, Bikers, and Babes Rally, sleeveless. I've been into the sleeveless. I don't know why. Don't ask me. And I don't look good in them, so don't even ask. I got this Harley. These are all, so I'm getting into the vintage Harley. Harley is fire. Vintage Harley, also sleeveless. Got the Pigeon Forge on the back. This may be for sale too, I'm not sure yet. I got this Baby Gap shirt. Also probably gonna be for sale because it's kind of small. I'm getting all these are deals. Y'all don't understand till you get on there and you buying shirts at $1.
There it is! It's beautiful! Take your hat off, boy, that's a $1 bill!
What? And no, I'm not sponsored. I'm not big enough to be sponsored. $1 for a shirt? Come on now. Peep this shirt right here. This is an absolute banger. Little, I think this is hieroglyphics, little hieroglyphics shirt right there. These are all, so the ones on the hangers, I may keep, I may not. All of these right here are for sale. So I'm about to run y'all through these, man. Look at this shirt right here. Dunewood 98. I'm pretty sure this shirt is from 1998. I wasn't even alive. So that's fire. What else we got here? This is one of my favorite shirts I picked up, but it's too small, man. The main shirt. Come on, man. This one, I don't know why I got this one, but could be one of yours. Little Yellowstone. No back hit. This one is fire, just got some stains, man. Also too small for me. Little Wolves, no back hit, but still fire. I'm telling you, when I see all these, I'm like, damn, I'm $2, $3. I gotta pick that shit up. I got this one right here, man. This is a classic shirt. This is a 100 Hours of Fitness, Richards of YMCA, or Richards YMCA. Richards where? Richardson. I don't know where Richardson is, but let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. We got this shirt. I'd like this shirt, but it's paper thin. Y'all could damn near see me through this, man. Shotgun Eddie Rafting, White Lake, Wisconsin, no back hit. Still a fire shirt. I probably would never wear this, so I don't know why I got it. But it's got like the little secondary yellow or purple. Crazy, man. This shit is crazy. But like I said, I'm gonna start my own. Me and my boy are about to start our own WhatNot shop. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I'm also gonna leave my personal one in there so you can use my referral code if you do end up buying shit off of here. But come through. All of these will probably be on there starting at $1, man. So if you want some of these shirts, medium, large, extra large, got some 2X, but we're really gonna be running the vintage Harley. If you fuck with vintage Harley, come fuck with your boy. Little, what is this, Miami Beach? All of these are vintage, I think. That's what they told me when they sold them to me. And then we got, it's a calm little shit right there. I got these boxes right here. Give me a second, let me open them and we'll see what else we got. Okay. All right, so first pool, we got these 12s, purple 12s, a little bit of a beaters, but got them at a fucking steal, man. Got them at a steal. Next shoe, got these no box, but the price was too hard not to beat, man. Hey, yo. Or too hard to beat not to get. Something. I couldn't pass these up. Right here we got, let's see what we got right here. What are these, the UNC ones? Little bit of toe action here, but other than that, still got all the stars, still got all that shit. If you know, you know. I don't remember buying these, but we have them now. Some 11s, lows. See what else we got in the next box. Damn. Don't ask me why, chat, but I got another Nespresso machine. Another Nespresso machine. But like I said, you can't beat the prices on this shit, man. It's ridiculous. Now I gotta become a reseller. Guess what? Side job. Let me open these other 2 boxes. Got these out of steel. Like what? Come on, man. Last but not least, let's see what it is. Y'all would be pissed if you had to sell these at this price. Got our backboard ones. I think these are like the 3.0s or something. Damn near brand new. But that's all I have right now. Like I said, I got about 30 more items coming in. Y'all got to get on this WhatNot, man. If y'all want to come support your boy. I don't know when I'm gonna be live yet. Check my Instagram, but WhatNot can get addicting, bro. WhatNot is addicting. I'm addicted. I'm not gonna lie to you, fully addicted. Before I recorded this video, I think I bought 5 pairs of shoes. But they're out of steel, why wouldn't you, right? Anyway, y'all, that's a little update on where I'm at. It's gonna be another video next weekend, banger video for y'all. But I appreciate y'all always coming through, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all let me know if you wanna keep seeing the little hauls and things like that I stupidly buy. And hopefully I get to see some of y'all in the WhatNot chat. All right, I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Chubbs made it. We out.